If you don't have the Vinted app, you need to get it. Once you have the app, you can actually just sign up or sign in creating an account. First thing you need to do is you need to open up the Vinted app. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of these items that you can purchase and make offers on just by clicking on them. If you want to post your own stuff, you can click on the sell option in the middle of the screen. You do have to make an account if you do want to actually sell stuff on this app. But you can basically upload photos, click on the upload option, allow access, and then take them just from here. Once you've simply taken all the photos that you want to of the clothes you're trying to sell, you simply click on the next option and you can give it a title of what you're actually selling, whether this be pants, shirt, or jeans. And you can add a description if it's oversized, small, or any other details if you're selling used clothing just on this app. And you can offer a price, whether you want it to be $10, and they can always negotiate with you later just through messaging. When you click on upload, you can see right here, you'll simply be required to fill out this description and basically all these boxes like so. Once you've done this, it'll basically bring you to the next page where we can click on done and click on upload. As you can see right here, our item is now listed. You can always edit the price later if you want to. And on your profile option, if we go down here and you click on your name at the top, you can view your listings just on this page like so. And you can actually bump this up whether you want it to be getting more impressions than it currently is. You can basically just choose your value and it will give you a price, whether it be $1 or $2. You'll basically get significantly more impressions, meaning more eyeballs will actually see your listing. So you can make a lot more money just by using this feature very strategically. You can do this for all items if you want to, or you can always relist your same item multiple times after deleting the old one if you want to do that as well, which definitely helps for getting impressions and can earn you a lot more money. On the profile option, you can always see your wallet. You can earn money from referrals or just view your orders just like this. Basically, this is a reselling app and you can buy stuff from other people, or you can simply click on it and heart it and it'll basically save it to your profile icon and the favorite items, so you can actually mark them and come back to them later if you want to buy them. Now, you can always buy stuff and attempt to resell it. If you saw something that is brand new on this app, you can basically just heart it, buy it really quick before everyone else, and then maybe mark it up for about $100 or whatever people are willing to purchase for it. But that's a really good way to flip stuff and make money on this app, or searching for stuff just on this home screen up here. Whether you are trying to search for sports gear, any certain types of clothes, water bottles, shoes, or anything like that, anything that's a wearable, or anything other than that, whether it be a sign or poster, etc. And that's the best way by far to use this app. There's also a bunch of great Reddit articles on how people actually make a ton of money. I shared some of the best ways that I've used, not personally on this app, but other ones like this, to make a ton of money. Thanks for watching and have a great day.